Episode of Nina and Clutch. Today, for you guys, got a special gift or special surprise. It is boiled seafood. I know a lot of people like to watch seafood videos,
So we thought we should do a video eating some seafood.
and that's like my favorite food too. Boiled seafood, I don't like it too spicy. It makes me sweat a lot if it's too spicy. But
Yeah.
it's good because straight jalapenos, whatever. We got gloves. Safety first.
I don't know if your hands are gonna fit in it.
Hopefully my hands fit in it.
Oh!
It smells pretty good.
Mhm.
I know it's been a while since we did a video.
Yeah. I can't open it.
Can't open it?
I got nails on.
Let's see.
We got some spices for you guys.
Special sauce.
You said it's like something spices. I don't know.
Should we just use it on the bag or keep it in here?
It's in 2 bags. Just put one bag on the side for the trash. Maybe we should put this under. Maybe. Oh!
We have snow crab, shrimp, potatoes.
Let me get a fork. Hold on, y'all.
Ooh, see the steam coming off of it? Woo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. Got the shrimps, the headless shrimps. It smells really good. Corn. Ah, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot.
Hey. Okay, let's see.
What do
Let's
you want
see.
to try first?
I'm gonna eat the shrimp first. Let's see how the shrimp tasting like.
I'm having a little trouble with the gloves, but
I can't. I put it in there.
yeah, just put it right there.
I can't eat seafood with big nails. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I got some really long
You do
nails.
have huge nails on.
So don't judge me. I know how to eat seafood. I just can't do it
Yeah,
with these nails.
she's from New Orleans, you guys. She knows. Well, what part of New Orleans you from?
I'm from the 7th Ward,
Oh, okay. What street?
Saint Bernard.
Oh, dang. Okay, I'm from around there too.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't peel the whole shrimp all the way, but I'm kind of hungry, so let's see.
How's it tasting? How's the sauce?
It's good.
What kind of sauce was it?
I forgot, but he said he mixed a lot of stuff in this.
Is this the garlic butter sauce or?
He said something. Dang, you all over the food.
That is pretty good.
Yeah. It's not too spicy. He asked me if I wanted like hot, mild.
Have potatoes too. This stuff is extremely hot.
I
I can
told
barely
him
even hold it.
I told him I wanted mild because somebody doesn't know how to handle it. So.
Yeah, I for sure can't.
Oh
handle
my
it, but
goodness, I cannot pinch it. Okay. I got it.
No. We also got a sausage. Not sure what type of sausage that is.
I'm gonna try the sausage.
Man, this stuff is burning my hand. How can you bite that? So hot. It's not hot to you?
It's not that hot. The sausage, I give it like a 4.
Dang.
The sausage, it's
Not
not
that
bad.
good.
It's alright.
It don't look like, it look different.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of sausage that is.
But overall, this seafood, the seafood is pretty good. I haven't tried the crab yet, but
The shrimp is good.
the shrimp is good. The potato was good.
Let's try the corn. Let's see. Let's pour some of this on the corn. Let's see what it's going for.
I'm kind of limited on space.
We wanted to give y'all a good show and show y'all the food.
That's good.
I mean, the sausage ain't that bad. I've just felt like I've had better. And crab, We haven't tried it. We're really falling. I really can't eat crabs and stuff when I have my nails on. Oh yeah.
I like crab meat. Ooh. Ooh, kill him.
Ooh,
How
kill
it tastes,
him.
little Terrio?
Ooh, kill him.
Oh. Get in there. And
A1.
for all the couples out there, you're not a real couple if you can't share a corn on the cob.
For real. We savages out here. I got a little bit of meat on there.
That was a nice piece of meat you pulled out of there. I'm not gonna lie, I really am liking these shrimp
Okay, good. I think
and the sauce.
I think there's some more meat in there.
The sauce
It
and
already looked like it was broken. Y'all,
the shrimp and the sauce is good.
I'm really trying. I got a fork because it's supposed to help.
Does this look good to you guys? You guys would like to eat some of that?
It is good. I like it. Look at all the meat in here. Show 'em, guys. Y'all can see it. You could pick it for me.
How you crack that open?
I use the fork. I learned if you got a fork at home, just pick it out. Like, just cut the shell with the fork if you don't have the tools.
Yeah, that is a nice piece of meat. There's still more in there, too.
Ooh, look at all this. Oh, I dropped it in the sauce.
Use the fork. That's good.
I like the sauce. Let me see where the thing at.
Damn, I dropped my potato. What thing?
The other piece of the rest of the meat from the claw.
I ate it.
Oh. Bear with me, y'all. The lobster.
A lobster?
The crab.
When did we get lobster?
The crab
Was
is.
I asleep?
The crab is really good too. It's well boiled,
Yeah.
flavorful. It's not too spicy. They really didn't overdo it with the spices, because sometimes some people boil it and put too much spices on it and you really can't enjoy your food.
And I will be sweating bricks.
Yeah, and it's very mild and it's really good. It's really flavorful. And the sauces too. The garlic butter. I don't know what this is, but luckily, y'all.
It is good. I wish we had like some of the what is it called?
Yeah.
Crackers.
I always do that.
Ooh.
That's a big piece.
Hoo-hoo. Bingo. That's what I was looking for. That's good. Man, I know you guys are jealous, but I'm pretty sure you got a good boiled seafood place around you where you live. As you can see, my companion here is enjoying it.
I like seafood.
Pure buttery meat.
I'm jealous.
You didn't get a piece like this?
No.
Oh, I got you.
And the claws are pretty big.
Yeah, I agree.
This is what kind of crab this is? This what
It's a king crab. We would have got crawfish, but
it's not crawfish season.
it's not crawfish season.
Boo.
Somebody loves crawfish. Oh.
This one
The
smells
only
like...
thing about crabs, the only bad part about crabs, you guys, that I always thought was like a downfall.
You gotta work for it.
You really have to work for it.
Oh,
You
yeah.
definitely have to, but it is kind of worth it once you get the meat out of there. So,
Mmm.
and it is messy.
It's very messy. I don't know why I keep eating this sausage. You good?
You know how I am. Can you see me sweating?
Not as bad as when we be out.
That's why I don't have a shirt on, you guys, because I already know, like, when I eat boiled seafood, especially if it's a little spicy,
Mm-hmm. Drenched.
I'm going to be,
Drenched and
whole
sweat.
shirt will be drenched.
Bye-bye.
Mm.
Yeah. It's so hard to peel stuff.
Yeah. You don't want to have the long nails?
My mom does my nails, so I support small
Yeah.
businesses, especially my mother's.
Her mom is actually pretty good, too.
Hmm. She does all types of designs and stuff.
Every time
Shout out to moms.
Every time we go somewhere, she's always getting compliments
Mm-hmm.
on her nails.
They're a little purple right now because I just dyed one of my wigs purple, so they're a little stained. I didn't have any gloves, so.
Man, I'm not gonna lie, this is better than I thought it would be. I was like, you know, it's just.
He's real picky too. Like I am too now since we've been together for a while. But he's definitely picky when it comes to seafood places.
Yeah, food period, really, but especially seafood.
Yeah.
Come on, that's skills. That's definitely skills.
That looks so good.
You want this one?
Thank you.
It's because I love her.
Hey.
We was in Austin, what, a couple days ago?
Mm-hmm.
Man, we turned up.
Turn.
We should have made a
up.
video about that.
Mm-hmm.
So for all you guys that have never been to 6th Street or haven't been to Austin, we also went there. Man, we should have did a video on the barbecue place. We're just getting started, you guys. The more love you guys show us,
The more places and videos we'll come out with, you know. We'll start really coming out with some videos.
we really just been doing this for fun
Yeah.
so far.
Just in our free time.
But hey, we thought, why not? We love to try food, different foods.
Mm-hmm.
Why not do food reviews?
Yep.
And man, I feel sweat dripping all down my
You
neck.
don't even look like you're sweating that hard. Not as bad as some places. I'm telling y'all, we've been
Yeah.
out to places and he's like, can you see my sweat? I'm like, dude, it looked like you just came out the swimming pool.
That spicy stuff gets to me.
Caliente, papi, caliente.
Fuego, fuego.
Fuego.
Muy fuego. Muy fuego.
Just killing this stuff.
I know.
You ready to wrap it up?
Think we got it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Well, I think that's it, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our next videos, our other videos, if you haven't seen them.
Like and subscribe. Comment, please. Definitely like, you guys. Comment. You don't have to comment, but at least like. Show us some love. We're just getting started with this, so
Share it. You can share it to your friends.
share it to your friends. Whatever you want to do. And that's about it. I'm Nina.
And I'm Clutch. It was fun, you guys. This food